Today, I'm going to be putting a manual Kubota thumb onto this BH92 backhoe. Let's get the thumb here. It's 3 pins, set of instructions here, so let's give it a shot. I've already put the bucket down, trying to take as much pressure off the pin as possible. I'm going to try to lay the thumb down and push this pin out with the new pin going in with the thumb in place. See if we can't get it to line up that way. It'll make things a lot easier. Before I do that, I'm going to rub some grease all over the new pin so it's already lubed up when it goes in. I'm going to grease these bushings in here. Probably try to get some of this paint out and see how it goes. Alright, got everything kind of greased up here. The main pin and the thumb I've put in place. And it comes with 2 bushings that I've also greased up. What I'm going to try to do is use that main pin to push out the original pin. Put that other bushing in place too. So I drive out the original pin with the new pin. Just try to keep everything lined up. I'm by myself, so it's kind of hard to maneuver the bucket around and get it in the sweet spot to take all the pressure off the pins. So I'm going to time lapse it and see how it goes. I'm having a little bit of trouble, so I'm going to have to move the backhoe around, try to find a sweet spot for the pin to slide out. And I got things in a little bit better of a spot, and I got a bigger hammer. I'm going to try to coax it through there now. Got the pin most of the way through. I want to be easy the last little bit. Make sure I line it up properly with this retaining bolt. Next up is the actual thumb shaft. As luck would have it, that's a 10mm bolt, which I have the socket for, but I don't have the wrench for. So I'm going to try to use a pair of channel locks here to get it off. Alright, looks like we're about wrapped up here. I just got to tighten this bolt and put that bolt back in and we're done. Fairly easy install. It would be easier with 2 people, just trying to get everything aligned and tapped in. Overall, wasn't so bad. I'm gonna go test it out.